What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max here, and it's time to do the cinematic video that I usually do with newer devices. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has a 10-bit HDR video recording. So let's go ahead and put it to the test and see what it's all about. So in this video, I'm going to shoot in 4K HDR so I can get that high 10-bit Dolby vision that this device is supposed to produce. Also, I'm going to use a gimbal. And then in post, I'm going to add a light lux pack to my footage to give it that cinematic look. And you can adjust for yourself. And after the video, I'm going to give you my final thoughts about the iPhone 12 Pro Max, shooting it in 4K HDR to get that 10-bit Dolby Vision footage from this device. It's going to be a good one. Sit back and relax, get your popcorn ready, and follow me on this journey. Let's go. So I hope you enjoyed the footage that you just saw coming straight from the iPhone 12 Pro Max using the gimbal, shooting it in 4K HDR to get that 10-bit footage. Now, I've been critical of the iPhone cameras because in the nighttime, I'm not liking the way the nighttime footage is, but in the daytime, it looks really good. Now, I shot this entire video with a cloudy day. It just finished raining. It's been raining all weekend, so I shot this video anyway after it rained, and it doesn't have no blue skies or anything like that. I saw the dynamic range looks really good on here. In the daytime, this device looks really good. I was able to put a Lux pack on top of the footage and it didn't break down too much. So that's all I did here with this device. You be the judge for yourself when looking at the cinematic footage that I just shot using the gimbal and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And once I put it in post, I did add some extra features as far as Lux features with this device to kind of enhance it and give it that cinematic look. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the iPhone 12 Pro Max in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.